In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert text placeholders in Google Slides to create your very own layout. This is a fantastic skill to have, especially if you're looking to customize your presentations and make them more engaging. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to go to Google Slides. For this, open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Slides. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your Google account. If you're not logged in already, you'll see an option to do so. Enter your credentials to access your Google Slides homepage. Now that you're signed in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the Google Slides homepage. This is where you can find all your saved presentations. From here, you can either click on the blank presentation option if you want to start from scratch, or select a template if you prefer something with a bit of a head start. Templates can be a great way to get some inspiration, but for those who want full creative control, starting blank is often the best choice. Once your new presentation is open, direct your attention to the top menu where you'll find an option labeled Slide. This is where the magic happens when creating custom layouts. Click on this and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, you'll want to select Edit Theme. This option allows us to modify the master slide, which is essentially the blueprint for all other slides in your presentation. When you click Edit Theme, you'll enter a new view where you can make changes to the slide layout. Now find the Insert option in the top menu bar and select it. From the drop-down, choose Placeholder. This is the step where we start to actively add placeholders to our custom slide. Google Slides gives you a few options here, such as title, subtitle, and body text placeholders. Choose the type that best suits your needs. However, as we are focusing on text placeholders, go ahead and select that option. With the placeholder selected, you can drag and resize it to fit your layout. Align it as you like by clicking and dragging it to the desired position on the slide. Additionally, there's another kind of placeholder you might want to consider, and that's the image placeholder. Image placeholders are excellent for presentations that are heavy on visuals, and they allow you to easily swap in different images while maintaining your layout consistency. To add an image placeholder, simply follow the same process under the Insert menu. Congratulations, you now have your customized slide layout with text and maybe even image placeholders. This will help give your presentations a professional edge and streamline your workflow. I hope you found this walkthrough helpful, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.